Hi, it's me, Nana. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a bow clip. This is a regular size of bow that I sell on my Etsy, but you can change the size as you'd like. Okay, let's get started. First, flip the fabric. You need this, and this. That's it. Yes, of course, I will show you the measurements and how to cut as well. The biggest piece is for the top of the bow, and this is about 15 inches by 8 inches. It doesn't have to be perfect. If it's about similar size of rectangle, it's fine. You can adjust this measurement. Measure the width and length of the bow you like and just double it. So easy, right? Next, this part will be the bottom of the bow. This is about 15 inches by 4.5 inches. You could use this rectangle shape, but I personally prefer the bow tie shape. So I mark about ½ inch from the bottom and the top of the middle. And then mark a line from the middle dot to the corner. And cut. Make another same thing. I forgot to film the middle part. It's about 4 inches by 2.5 inches. And now we are done with cutting. Yay! Back to the first biggest part. We are going to sew here. And the middle part we sew here. And the bottom parts, put the right sides together and we sew here. Leave an inch at the middle part for flipping inside out later. Now it's ironing time. We are going to press open the seam. And flip inside out. And then press. We will sew these sides with zigzag stitch later. Do the same thing with the middle part. This is so tiny, so press open the seam one by one. Use tweezers to flip inside out. Finally, the bottom part. Cut all the corners, but do not cut the seam. And press open the seam. Only one side is enough on this part. This makes it easier to press after flip inside out. See, the corner already looks nice and sharp. If you didn't cut, the extra fabric will be in the way. And now flip inside out from the hole we made. Use tweezers for the corners. And flip. Back to the top part. We'll connect the sides with zigzag stitch. This middle area will be hidden by the small middle piece, so this seam will be hidden as well. Now it all looks like this, and we are gonna make the bow shape. Check the print, and I want the flowers on the side, so I'm gonna put the seam side on the face. Fold it half both ways to make sure the middle part is on the middle. Then face side down and fold like this. so it's like 3 mountain folds. Now it looks like a giant macaroni. Put a pin in the middle to keep the macaroni shape. Next, the bottom part. Pretty much the same but 2 mountain folds. Finally, the small middle piece. I'm gonna show what I usually do with this clip. Put one side of the fabric through the clip. Connect the fabric and the clip with a hot glue. I fold about 1/2 inch. Put some glue in the middle to keep the macaroni shape you made. And glue the top and bottom. Put a pin until the glue dried all the way. I know you thought that's the end, but not yet. We are going to hand sew. Put a needle through the clip hole from the inside of the bowl. Put the needle right by the clip and out from the hole. And then put the needle through the loop here. Do the same thing until it covers with the thread. It's easier for me to sew if I hold the hole and the fabric like this. My thumb is on the clip, my middle finger is under the fabric. Try not to move the fabric and the clip. You could skip this part, but this process makes a nice curves to fit your head. You can also use this stitch for spring hooks or any kinds of stuff that you need to connect with string. Make an end knot. And put a needle to hide the knot inside of the bowl. And it will look like this. Do the same thing on the other side. And both sides are done. Wish I could use magic like that. But finally, it's the final step. We are gonna sew this part for more strength. It's already glued, but it could remove if you pulled hard, so I sew here with ladder stitch just in case. I've uploaded a video of how to sew ladder stitch, so if you're not sure how to sew, please watch the video. Yay, it's done! How was it? It's pretty simple, right? Sewing isn't that hard as you expect. If you want to make one by yourself, thumbs up. Even if you didn't want to make one, just give me a thumbs up. And this is how it looks on mannequin. I also made a matching hat. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching.